The biggest financial impact is not having missing inventory. If we can't find something, we can't sell it. And it's really tough to recoup from that kind of lost sales opportunity. Our products are very valuable, and so we build our products to a specific sales forecast with very little buffer room. We're going to sell everything that we manufacture.
The way we used to do inventory was very manual before the drone. I usually have one cycle counter, and it probably takes him about 2 months to finish the cycle count.
Now with Corvus One, we've able to repurpose that person for about 75% of what they're doing. And that's freed up about 120 hours for that employee to be doing something else per month.
We deployed on a Monday. 2 weeks later, we're handing the keys over to the customer, and they are using the system to find inventory.
Putting in the Corvus One was undisruptive to our business. We basically got it done during working hours without any downtime at all. 5 p.m. and 5 a.m. is totally drone time. We're imaging the warehouse 52 times a year, which is about a 600% improvement on what we had done manually. The occupancy reporting is best for inventory planning. With the Corvus drone, we know what our capacity is, so we know what we have is in terms of open space.
I like the Corvus drone because it makes my job easier. It keeps our inventory accurate.
I would tell people that the investment in Corvus is absolutely worth it. I try to brag about this technology all the time to everybody I can. I've had multiple people in to basically see the drone. Everybody thinks it's very cool, and then when we show them what the images look like, what the reporting looks like, what we can do with it, how much labor it saved us on this one specific aspect, it's a no-brainer for anybody.